Hey everyone, this is Max from cgmax7.com and I'm here to make a tutorial on how to customize your ZBrush. Now this is going to be a quick tutorial, so let's get started. First, you can see my computer right now. It's pretty changed and it's not the same looking like yours. So it's pretty obvious I already customized it, but let's first get to default. So what you're going to do is first you're going to enable customize, so you can customize your ZBrush. And okay, let me get to the default of my ZBrush, so I can go with the similar with you. So first I'm going to take this preference and this side, and let's go into the configure. Now first you wanted to enable your customize, and second, you can see all the menus look pretty orange, which is kind of boring to me. So first I wanted to change the color of this tab or buttons, you can say. So it's in SW2, and you just hold down, click and drag wherever you like, and you can change and pick which color you like. Now you can bring over to the color palette and you can pick the color which you like the most. So I probably go for the green, and here we go. Now the second you want to bring some menus and buttons into your canvas, or say on the user interface, the main menus. So what you can do is, for example, let's take brushes. So I bring some brushes tab over here. So I got a lot of brushes is going on over here. It's just I click on the R and it reset all the things. So for example, I use blob brush a lot. So what I can do is hold down Control Alt and drag it over in here, and I can add a brush over here. Now it's not like it's gone from over here, it's like it's in a copy over here. Now there's a difference. If I click on the blob, it gives me the blob. Now if I bring this menu, which is quite a big with this one, by holding down Control Alt and bring it over here, so I get a brush tab over here. Now if I click on it, I get all the brushes over here. So make sure it's pretty different and it's pretty straightforward. So what if you wanted to get rid of those menus? Well, you can do is Control Alt and click on this menu or button and just bring it over to the canvas, and it will be gone easily. Now it's not like it's gone from over here, it's just like I said, it's a copy that was gone. Now you can also get rid of these buttons. For example, this one, move, scale and rotate, and it's not like it's gone from over here and not from the ZBrush. So you can find these menus from, I guess it's transform. Yep, it's in transform. It's like move, scale, rotate. So you can bring those menus back in here. Move, scale and rotate. Pretty easy. Now let's say you want to make hotkeys for the brushes. So that's quite simple. First let me turn off this configure, enable customize, and I'm going to tell you how to save your customize, just a few minutes. So first we're going to click on B, and for example, let's say you want to make a hotkey for clay buildup. Now you can do very easily by holding down Control and Alt and just click on it, and you will notice there is a menu appears on the top which says press any key combination to assign customize hotkey, or press escape, blah 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 blah. So you can read it. So you can just tap any key. For example, I just press 1 for the clay buildup, and it says it's already assigned to someone's key, so that's okay. I will click OK. Now if I click 3, which is already assigned for inflate brush, and now if I click 1, I get clay buildup over here. Now that means that hotkey is already assigned. So now you already make your menus and user interface in UA, but you wanted to save it. So what you can do is go down preference, and first I highly recommend to save your UI, and it's going to be saved in your C drive, which is Zbrush data startup, and you can name it whatever you like. Let's say I say test _1 and hit enter, and it's going to be saved, and it says UI configuration file has been saved successfully. So you just click OK, and it's saved now. After this, I highly recommend to store config. That brings that ZBrush to the way you set up everything. It's next time when you're going to restart your ZBrush, that ZBrush going to bring all your default setting, to say which you save it as a user interface, going to be turned on in the next time. So I highly recommend to save this as store as config. So when you just click and master configuration file has been saved successfully, you just click OK, and it's done. So next time you're going to load up your ZBrush, all the user interface that you made going to be pop up, and it's going to be load. So sorry about my English, and so that's it for the guys. And yeah, one more thing, you can, if you lost your configuration by, let's say you just turn it on your default ZBrush, what you can do is just hold and click on preference and config and load UI and take your configuration again, and that will be pop it again. So as you can see, all the same things. So that's it guys for the quick tutorial for the ZBrush, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.